All right, YouTube, what's going on? We have a clipper review for y'all, and I'm not gonna lie, I've already used the clipper. We're just gonna get straight to the point. I've already ordered new blades for the clipper and everything. Even though the blades on the clipper, they good. They good. They work. They hit. But it's not my type of blade. I cut 21 people today. I'm ready to go home. I'm the last one at the shop. This is the shop. Boom. We're gonna do I don't know which video I'm gonna do first. I just did my T45 Tune 45 clipper set review. Now we're about to get into these bad boys. Boom. The Wahl 2.0. These are amazing. Yo, we would have better. Look at that background to the wall, to the content, to the. It look good. So y'all can't like it look. Imagine doing a review to a background like this. But look, we got these. Y'all know I'm a big Wahl Senior person on here, and I was always wondering, like, man, when is they gonna make a the clipper, the click lever system on but I pre-ordered mine. I got mine early. I got mine exclusive. Nah, I'm just playing. But I pre-ordered mine, y'all. I'm tired. I'm just babbling. But yo, I pre-ordered mine. I am getting to a point in my career, my barber career, while I'm tired. But but that's what you gotta do. If you really want your barber career how you say you want it, you're gonna look like this. Your eyes gonna be watering, you're gonna be tired. But like I'm really a booked out barber in real life. I don't just make content. I don't just cut one person 1 hour. I'm talking about 30-minute appointments, fully booked out on a daily basis. Booked out barber in real life. But look, this will come in a pack. These the Wahl Seniors 2.0. It's already unboxed. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's already unboxed. I'm about to show you the boxing. The box feel good. The box feel real premium, real good. Look, let's set it up on a tripod first. We just got it sitting around everywhere. Let's set the camera on a tripod real quick. Let's get this. Let's get a decently proper, reviewing. Oh, I got my stuff on the wrong side. Unfortunately, y'all gonna see a lot of. We not even gonna cut none of this out. We just gonna keep this all raw, all natural, all that. But look, when I pre-ordered it, it came with this hat, this 1919, basically the Wahl thing. And real quick, this is gonna be the thumbnail. Y'all gotta see me with this on. I look crazy with hats. At 1919, get it in. Future Wahl ambassador. What you think? Thumbnail? But future Wahl ambassador, we're gonna wear this for the whole entire video. Y'all don't look bad. I don't look too bad. I don't look not too shabby, brother. But look, we're gonna post this back up on a tripod. Y'all, I'm ready to go. I gotta get home to my family. I gotta get to it. But Wahl, boom. Wahl 2.0 cook level system. Pause the video if you want to read all of this. These are the guards that it come with. 2.0. Whatever is on them. It's on them. Pause it. Read it. And this is the blade that it came with. It came with this blade is very good. It's a very good blade. I'm not gonna lie. But I changed the blade to my own preference. And I think I didn't lose the blade. I didn't lose the blade. I didn't lose the blade, y'all. I did not use the blade. Well, lose the blade. I used the blade. I didn't lose the blade. So this is what it come with. This blade right here, if it could focus. If it's gonna focus. If it's gonna I'm trying to, y'all see me trying to, and we're gonna try to bring up, no, right there. It's like a fade blade. A fade blade is a blade without like a hump in there like this. I put a taper blade on now. But this is a fade blade. I don't really too much like cutting with fade blades no more. I'm more of a taper blade type of guy. We're really not gonna let y'all. I mean, we gonna let y'all gotta see it. Y'all gonna see what I put on there, but it's a secret, y'all. I can't let y'all see what blade I put on now. Y'all can stop the video, get y'all little cheats in if y'all want. But my blend's gonna be extra blurry. If you know, we gonna let y'all see it anyway. My blend's gonna be extra blurry. Y'all gonna see the clipper regardless. Wahl Senior 2.0. I love how this light up right here. This clipper is aesthetically pleasing to look at. It's nice, all metal, doctor's office, professional, quick lever system, smooth, nice little indent on the quick lever system. Boom, and look, ah, 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 perfect. Good with the rake down technique or rake down, my famous rake down technique. What blade is this? Who knows? Who cares? Don't pay attention to it. And then we got a different cutting blade on that too. The cutting blade is what matters, and what's going to take this clipper to a whole new level, and y'all going to see on my channel. But look at it. All these clippers coming with this USB-C. I think it's USB-C. If I'm wrong, please correct me. But yeah, good clipper. I wish this was glue up a little bit lighter, but they just kept it nice and simple. You know, they kept it nice and simple and player, you know. So this is what comes in the box. Obviously, the hat came in the box. This is to the charger. We could just gonna rip the charger out right now. Where is the charger? Here it is. The charger, boom. Basically, the charger came unassembled for some reason. And they have this. You gotta put this piece in here, and this is your charging stand. So you can just sit it on there, prompt it up. It could look real nice on your station. Real fire on your station. I'm about to plug it back up because you know I want these to. Matter of fact, I'm about to bring these home. I gotta cut hair at the crib. Man, I'm working overtime, y'all. Y'all don't be no barber that work over. You know, y'all be the barber that work overtime for at least 5 years into y'all career. That's basically my whole entire professional career. But work overtime till you don't have to. So you could kind of pick and decide what you want to do, what clients you do want cut and what clients you don't want cut. That's when you know you made it. That's when you know you made it to a decent, a decent extent, certain extent, you know. But we about to show y'all what come in the box. I know I'm yapping. I'm known for yapping. Make sure y'all subscribe. My Instagram should be right here. Make sure y'all subscribe on this channel. Man, being in the shop, we're gonna be doing way more tutorials. So y'all want to stay tuned with that. I'm not no bad barber. I'm not no bad barber. You could go to my last video, the video before that, I'm not no bad barber. So subscribe. I break down things in a simple form, in a simple manner to where y'all can understand and y'all can really grasp the concept. Sometimes I do in person type stuff, live type stuff, and actually with a mic, what I'm doing right now, and I explain while I'm going through the haircut. Full 30-minute to hour-long videos. People make y'all pay for 30-minute to hour-long videos when they got the mic on, when they mic'd up and explaining what's really going through their brain in real time at the. Come on, man, it don't get no better, y'all. So we're gonna hop back into this review. So basically, what comes in the box? The typical Wahl comb. I never really use these combs, but this comb feel a little bit different. I don't know. This comb feel different. It's like almost feel like some type of rubbery type of, but it's not rubber. It's not rubber. But I usually do clip over comb with a comb like this. You could supposed to use something like this. Clip over comb. I forgot. We're gonna throw that in. Yeah, this review. I ain't gonna say unprofessional, but it's like. So this is what it comes with. So we got oil, a little brush. Keep everything maintained. This is where the clippers had went. And then boom, simple. The wall guards. I got tons of wall guards already. My station is full of wall guards. I got so many. I didn't had about 6 pairs of cordless Wahl Seniors, and then I have a pair of corded on my. Look at me. Whoa, man, y'all should have sent me this for y'all should have just sent it. Y'all, this is what the setup look like. All this won't be like this in the near future. Can y'all see me? Can y'all see me? Can y'all see the goat? Can y'all see the goat? I might put myself with a goat head on here. But the setup is right what it is for right now until we get everything. I'm waiting on the mirrors that I got for the shop. I got mirrors ordered all the way from Germany. Just the shipping alone was like $900 some. So it's been like it's like 5 to 7 weeks for everything to get here. So we kind of just waiting on that. But look, corded. I've been working with these for the past few months. Corded. All my Wahl Seniors not here. We're gonna go ahead and put this in the storage because I got so many Wahl, Soul Edition. Wahl. Look how loud that is. Soul Edition. Y'all remember that movie Soul from Disney? Soul Edition. These are my babies right here. These, they underneath construction. And I got tons of Wahl Seniors at my house. But yeah, that's all that comes in a box. That's all that's really to it, y'all. We're gonna get a full breakdown of the shop in the future. But I just want to do like a small little tutorial and whatnot. And man, my barber journey has been something, man. It just seemed like everybody don't be on the same page, man. Nobody in Louisiana be on that type of timing to where they content going to all these events. And I'm just being honest. Besides, I think the George Fades dude, never really spoke to him in person. I seen him at a few events and stuff like that. I don't think he do YouTube. Or he might do YouTube. I'm not too sure. But that's really the only person I know that's in Louisiana that really do content. I'm not talking about Instagram content. I'm talking about YouTube content. I feel like Instagram content and YouTube content is two totally different lanes. Give me a second and think. I lost my train of thought. Hold on. There's content creators and there's influencers. Content creators and influencers. Barbers on Instagram be more so content creators. I feel like YouTube is a whole totally different fan base and it is untouchable. I feel like those are like the hard down and gritty people that people really look up to on some stuff. Y'all let me know. That's in my opinion. But hopefully y'all enjoyed this review. It was a short review. Just doing my little review. I wish I got these things a lot sooner. I wish brands would send me clippers and stuff like that. Trying to get to that point. I done had JRL send me stuff. Some other companies, but everything else I just bought for myself. But we getting out. We trying to get there. Yeah, I keep looking at myself in here to see if everything right. But we getting out. We growing. We got the shop right now. It's a process. We wasn't big balling when we first got to the shop. We started from the ground up. Even though it's a nice looking shop. Don't get me wrong, but we don't have no 70, 60, 50 bands just to throw in the shop. We start from the ground up. We working our way up, and we gonna get there. I have a system. I have a strategy. I have what it needs to. I have a system that's gonna help us win and be successful inside of the shop. Even though the shop not even fully open, but even though we're not fully open, man, I've had let alone 9 new clients just this week alone. And it's just a regular week. Nothing happening this week and nothing like that, So we gonna grow. The other guys are growing in here too. We only have 2 barbers right now. I done had 5 people in total text me so far. But we gonna knock them down. And choose whoever we feel like, we're not hiring no bad apples. We're just hiring good people. Hire the barber, hire the person, not the barber. Basically what that means is hire the person for what's inside of here, for something that you cannot teach. Hire what's in the heart. I want good people. I want good-hearted people. I am a Christian man. I believe in Jesus is my Lord. So, you don't have to. I'm just looking for like-minded people that's willing to grow, people that want to go to these events with me. It's so hard to find motivated, hungry, passionate barbers that want to go to all these events, that want to meet all these different people and network and stuff like that. It is very hard to find like-minded people. That's why I'm trying to That's why I'm trying to get, just kind of network amongst the content creators, if possible. So hopefully I like this video. Hopefully I stay tuned for the journey, for real. But look, it's HYB. If you're not handling business, then what you doing? And we out.
Danny, please don't do anything crazy.